Wild Indian ringnecks usually feast on a diet of fruits, vegetables, nuts, berries, and seeds. In this video you can find what fruits can you feed a parrot?
Parrot's diet should consist of 5 to 10% fruit. Fruits can be fed to parrots whole or sliced. Remove any pits or seeds from cherries, apple or apricots as they contain arsenic, but all other parts of the fruit are safe to eat.
The following fruits are best for parrots:
apple, orange, grape, papaya, cherries, pomegranate, banana, pineapple, mango, kiwi, watermelon, guava, pear, nectarine, raspberry, apricot, cranberry, blueberry, peach, starfruit, plum, strawberry,